Hey, Dave Herro. Nice chair shot. Way to bring it. And you say you want me at Blizzard Brawl. You want me in a match at Blizzard Brawl. Okay, Dave. You're on. But two things. Number one, let's make it Monsters Ball. Huh? You're big, bad, and tough. Why not? And number two, and the only way I'll do it, is if you, Dave Herro, put everything on the line. That's right. Your stake in Great Lakes Championship Wrestling. If I beat you December 5th at Blizzard Brawl, which I will, you're done in professional wrestling forever. Not a month, not a year, forever. You are done with wrestling. You will resign your position with Great Lakes Championship Wrestling, and you will walk away from the business once and for all. So, Dave Herro, what do you say? The ball's in your court. Do you accept my challenge? I hope you do, Dave. And oh, by the way, I didn't want to leave the Super Friends out. I've designed my own brand new t-shirt just for them. What do you say, Dave? You willing to put it all on the line? Let me know. I'll be waiting.